Hi, WED 151, Introduction to Alternative Medicine students. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I will be your instructor for this semester. I look forward to working with all of you. I recognize a few names of students that I've had in other courses, so I'm looking forward to working with those of you again. And those of you who are new students to me, I look forward to working with you as well. So this is actually a great time for you guys to be taking this Introduction to Alternative Medicine course. With COVID-19 happening, there's been a lot of stress in our world. People aren't maybe having the most healthy lifestyles. And that really is what this course focuses on. A lot of alternative medicine is actually just doing lifestyle things that are able to keep you well and healthy. So it'll be a good time for you to take the course. So a couple things I want to talk about right away. First thing is our textbook. This is our textbook, Alternative Medicine, the Definitive Guide. It is the second edition of the textbook. It is pretty thick and a hefty textbook. However, it is the best textbook in alternative medicine and most cost effective. It runs generally between $30 and $40. And most of you will probably end up getting your textbook on Amazon or some online bookstore. However, as of this morning, I've been notified by our bookstore that many textbooks are on back order. And when I looked on Amazon, this textbook is on back order until I believe the middle of June, June 7th or June 14th. So if you're having trouble getting the textbook, no worries. We will work it out together. I am more than happy to help you. Okay, I can get you the resources that you need in order to be very effective in this course. A lot of the tools that we use in this course are podcasts and other things as well. However, many of your quizzes focus on the text. So I don't want you to just fail every quiz because you cannot get the textbook. That is not an ideal situation. I will make sure you get the textbook or the pages in the textbook that you need. So if you're having trouble, the first thing I want you to do is look online and try to find the textbook. Again, the textbook should be no more than $40. If you're unable to find the textbook online somewhere in a time period that is reasonable, because I know shipping has been a little bit crazy as well, I understand. There is a used option on Amazon, and I saw the book. There were many editions available, or the second edition was many options were available used on Amazon. During COVID, if you are uncomfortable with getting a used textbook, I fully understand and respect that decision. So if that decision or that option doesn't work for you, okay. Also, there is an online or ebook edition to this text. I saw it on Google Play for, I believe it was around $11. So again, you can do that. If that option doesn't work for you, again, contact me. If you're having financial issues, shipping issues, or just unable to find the text, contact me. I will make sure that you get the resources you need. So don't stress out if you're looking for your textbook and are unable to find it and are freaking out about it. Don't. Just contact me. We will get it worked out. I'll help you out. Okay? So let's just talk a little bit about this course and how it is laid out. So you will see when you go to your homepage of your course, our syllabus is up there, so be sure you take a look at that. But you have 4 assignments that are due by June 3rd. They are very basic assignments, and just let me know that you're actually prepared and ready to take an online course. So you'll provide a little introduction, which is in a discussion board. You will submit an assignment. You'll take a little quiz, and then also send an instructor a message. So you're just going to send me a Canvas message. In that Canvas message, I would like you to include where you're at with your textbook. If you were able to find it, if you're having trouble finding it, any information about your textbook, that would be great. Okay. Basic course, everything's going to be broken up into a module. So your first week's module is presented there. A lot of things we use in this course are podcasts or TED Talks or other online resources as well. So as long as you have internet access, you'll be doing very well. We will stay on the typical Sunday night at 11:59. Your coursework will be due for that week. Many times I will open the modules early, just in case you wanted to work ahead. Sometimes we have students who only work on the weekends, so they want to kind of get their work done a little bit early. So generally your module will be open from Monday, and then the assignments will be due on Sunday. But if you would like me to open a module early, I am more than happy to do so for you. Again, I look forward to working with all of you this semester, and if you have any questions or need any help at all, just feel free to contact me. Looking forward to a great semester.